Editing is the hidden backbone of every professional production, and it touches multiple mediums: video, photo, and audio. Our journey begins with the basic principles shared across these disciplines, capturing the essence of precise and creative editing. The video opens with a montage displaying different editing software interfaces: Adobe Premiere for video, Adobe Photoshop for photos, and Adobe Audition for sound. Each screen shows timelines brimming with intricate details, showcasing the intricacy involved in the art. The first section focuses on video editing. We see raw footage scattered across the editing timeline, placeholders for clips, and various effects layers. As the editor drags clips, cuts, and trims scenes, the narrative takes viewers through the essentials of storytelling by framing visuals. Beautiful transitions show before and after transformations, emphasizing color correction and visual effects that breathe life into footage. The next section highlights photo editing. High-resolution images show incredible transformations as editors work through Photoshop layers, tweaking colors, removing blemishes, and adding elements. Text layers and adjustment curves enhance the visuals, while each change in the image dynamically emphasizes precision. Finally, the spotlight turns to audio editing. The sequence features waves of sound and various audio effects being meticulously applied. We witness sound mixing, noise reduction, and adding atmospheric sounds to create a more immersive experience. The layers of different soundtracks exhibit the polished results of audio engineering. Throughout the video, voiceovers detail each step and its significance, complemented by sleek, creative, and visually engaging transitions. The cohesive visual theme and 4K quality render every detail, making the craft of editing look as artistic as it truly is. The video wraps up with a powerful message: editing is where creativity and precision merge to create art. It fades out with a call to action for viewers to appreciate the meticulous craftsmanship behind every polished piece of media.